Hey lovely! Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'll show you how to add your QR code to the Scan to Pay Canva template, step by step. Let's start. Open the Canva link you received after purchasing the template and click View Template so you're working on your own copy. First, delete the sample QR code from the template so you can add your own. Option 1. Use a QR code from your payment app or website. For example, with PayPal you can use your paypal.me link and generate a QR code from it. Back in Canva, click Uploads, then upload your QR code image. When it finishes uploading, simply drag it onto your design. Option 2, my favorite option, is to create the QR code directly inside Canva. Go to Apps, search for QR code, paste your payment link, and click Generate. Resize and align. Now the fun part, personalization. When you're ready, click Share, then Download. For your website or social media, choose the PNG format. For printing, select PDF print. Then click Download to save the QR code to your computer. Final step, super important, test your QR code. Quick tips before you go. Keep it high contrast. Make sure it's not too small, and update it anytime your link changes. If you want the ready-made Scan to Pay Canva template, you'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva templates and quick tutorials. See you next time!